Let's pause quickly, get you up to speed with the latest political news which is brewing in the national capital that concerns everything to do with the state of Maharashtra. BJP Mahayuti huddle to pick the Maharashtra Chief Minister. It's going to take place in the national capital. Mahayuti Netas to meet Home Minister Amit Shah. Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar already in the capital right before the key meet. Eknath Shinde en route. He took a flight at about 7:30 p.m., would be landing any time now and will make his way to Amit Shah's residence. This time making his way as a caretaker chief minister. We don't quite know what will happen after the meeting because every indication viewers suggests a comeback of Devendra Fadnavis as the chief minister of Maharashtra. Word also coming in right now, Eknath Shinde, though there has been precedent and not very far. One only has to look at Devendra Fadnavis, who when was chief minister but took the post of deputy CM. But in this case, sources seem to suggest close to Eknath Shinde, he's not very keen to take the deputy CM's post. So what will it be? Because one thing is clear, Eknath Shinde made it quite evident yesterday that he's going to be no roadblock when it comes to picking the leader of the government in Maharashtra for the Mahayuti and will abide exactly with what the Prime Minister and the Home Minister state. Let's quickly cut across to our two reporters. Piyush Mishra joins us outside Amit Shah's residence in the national capital. Ritvik Balikar giving us the overall view on how things develop back in Maharashtra. But Piyush, coming to you first, you have Ajit Pawar, who's been in the national capital. He's been very vocal. Devendra Fadnavis as the next chief minister of Maharashtra, a better working relationship that he has with him than Eknath Shinde, who he's worked under in the last government. On the other hand, Devendra Fadnavis has been there since yesterday. Eknath Shinde en route. What to expect? What's going on behind the scene where the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned?
Well, Preeti, there is no doubt that there will be a meeting at the Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, and it is likely to continue till late in the night because meeting has not begun yet. Eknath Shinde has not even landed in Delhi, and before Eknath Shinde, it was Devendra Fadnavis who landed in Delhi, and soon after landing in Delhi, he went to the residence of Bhupendra Yadav. Bhupendra Yadav, Union Minister, has played a very crucial role as far as BJP's performance in the state of Maharashtra. He was BJP's election in charge. So there was a one-to-one meeting which took place between Devendra Yadav and Devendra Fadnavis and Bhupendra Yadav. After this meeting, Devendra Fadnavis has gone to the residence of Sunil Tatkare, NCP Maharashtra president, and there at the residence of Sunil Tatkare, Ajit Pawar is present. So as we are speaking, there's a one-to-one discussion going on between Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar. Okay. After that, we can expect all these leaders to reach here at the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah.
All right.
This meeting is likely to begin only after 9:45 p.m. because the moment Shinde lands in Delhi, he will directly head to Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, and then we can expect.
Okay, right now a closed-door meeting between Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar. One thing has been very clear, which has been made by Ajit Pawar, that he would want, or the NCP, which is the third alliance partner of the Mahayuti, would want Devendra Fadnavis to lead the Mahayuti. On the other hand, Eknath Shinde, many thought, could dig in his heels like Uddhav Thackeray did in 2019, but made it very clear yesterday that he's going to be no roadblock in government formation where Maharashtra is concerned and will abide by the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, practically surrendering, clearing the decks for, like we pointed out, all indications suggesting Devendra Fadnavis to make a comeback as Chief Minister Maharashtra. But viewers, in midst of all of this, one needs to also take a keen look at what will be the terms of engagement this time. The power sharing, how different will it be? Word coming in, Ritvik Balikar, that Eknath Shinde not keen to be Deputy Chief Minister after being CM, even though he has enough precedence. Devendra Fadnavis himself, and he himself will be, if he decides to take the Deputy CM's chair, the 5th Chief Minister of Maharashtra to settle for Deputy CM. What are you picking up from the Eknath Shinde camp? Doesn't want to be Deputy CM, but would want important ministries like Home, which was with Devendra Fadnavis last time. Urban development.
Absolutely, because since when Shiv Sena BJP was in government since 2014, urban development department was held by Eknath Shinde, and he is the longest serving minister in the state to handle this department. And it was only the department which fueled him with a lot of resources to get backing of most of the MLAs from Shiv Sena. So definitely, urban department is one of the department is eyeing for, and secondly, he is also pressing for MSRDC department, which is responsible for constructing Samruddhi highway in Maharashtra, which was also a dream project of Devendra Fadnavis. What sources are telling us from Shiv Sena Shinde faction is that they are also will be insisting for home portfolio, which BJP led government never ever leaves, and generally chief minister only holds home department in the state. So it will be Devendra Fadnavis versus Eknath Shinde, maybe on the home department as well. So we really need to see that he was. Yes, Preeti.
All right, okay, all right. Ritvik, thank you for joining us. We're going to keep a keen eye on all developments right now. What we've been given to understand, Eknath Shinde would be landing at about 8:30. 9:45 is when the meeting will begin at Amit Shah's residence in the national capital. Right now, been given to understand a closed-door meeting is taking place between Ajit Pawar of the NCP faction along with Devendra Fadnavis. Ajit Pawar publicly has made it known that it should be the BJP and Devendra Fadnavis that should lead the government this time where the Mahayuti is concerned. And trust us to get you the latest where it comes down to what will be the power sharing, what will be the new rules of engagement where the allies are concerned, where the Mahayuti comes into question.